Hello everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing. Now this is the most weighted kit of mine which I wanted to launch for all of us to have a beautiful and transformational 2021. This is the Scent Expedit kit. If you see, I have used the Scent Expedit picture, the web of the Scent Expedit, and this is specifically for financial related issues. That is how I have brought this, and it has a red on top and there's a green down, so it's a combination of the red and green, and I have blended it with certain herbs which are specially good to work with Scent Expedite. So many of you know how the altar is placed and all that, but I would suggest that when you pick up this product, you get in touch with me and I will tell you how to exactly start praying with this. Now with this, I am bringing in a spray specifically used for cleansing and working on Scent Expedite's altar. It is specifically only for that, and this cannot be used for I will not say it cannot be used, but I would not use it for other things, because it's a spray where I have specifically intented and infused it with certain things which is purely for Scent Expedite. And this is again a blend of resin which I'm bringing in of Scent Expedite. It has frankincense, copal, pine, benzoin, and another 3-4 ingredients together, and it smells amazing actually. And again, I have kept in mind the main herbs which we can use for Scent Expedite, and then I have brought this, and you will get one money oil with this, which is specifically for Scent Expedite. It's a Scent Expedite money oil. Now, what do you do is, for example, you set the altar, you know that on the top there is water, and then we have the photo of his, and then we have the candle. Here what we will do is, where you keep the water, you will also keep this incense, where little bit of the incense will burn, invoking him. Or you can burn the incense with this type of a cone in the center. If for example, say water is here, this is the water element, and we keep the picture and the candle. So I don't have my statue here with me right now, so the way you set up, that is how you will set up. In front you will burn this, either with the dhoop stick or the incense cone, you will put this resin and burn, or you will take a little bit of charcoal tablet. You can keep the charcoal tablet and also put this little bit and burn, or you can also use camphor and burn this. Before starting the Scent Expedite thing, you will use the spray, and you will spray the altar, invoking him. And one thing, let me tell you, if you're doing this prayer, specifically intend what you wish. Say you're starting from Wednesday, every day you will be burning this candle till the next Tuesday, and you will tell him how much it is, because I will be sending you a small sheet of paper along with this, which will have the exact way of phrasing your prayer. You will phrase the prayer, and every day you will read that prayer to him. After the prayer is over, first thing you will have to do is, you will have to give him the offerings. Don't give him the offering beforehand, because as far as I have worked on and researched on this, I feel if you give the offerings beforehand, sometimes it doesn't work. So you will have to tell him, this is what I will offer you when this happens, and this is how I will work with you. All the details, the instruction paper will be given. Every day you will burn this candle for 15-20 minutes till 7 days. So you start on a Wednesday and then you burn it, and once it is over, you will give glory to him in one of the social medias, or wherever you feel apt. You will work on expressing your gratitude towards him, and you will offer him the in fact, abroad they offer the Sara pound lee cake, but here butter cake is something which he likes, so you can pick up a butter cake. You can also make the butter cake, and then you can offer it to him, and then you can give it to the children, or even to people who are in need, like poor people you can give. So I hope you all get the blessings of Scent Expedite, and those who want to pick this can get in touch with me. This will be posted also in the sale group which is happening now. Apart from that, this will also be posted in my Metaphysical Stores book, in my Metaphysical Stores Facebook group. There also you will get this. And any other doubts in this, you let me know, because I'm bringing in one more with this. I think I will explain off in this video itself. These are called, but this is not a part of this kit, this will be a separate thing which I'll be bringing. These are called as the Scent Expedite money bills. Okay, there is a way of anointing these money bills and using them. So I will be giving you all one sheet of this, and these, what you can do is, when you're doing this prayer, you can just keep it in front like this, asking him to bless this in such a way that money comes to you from all sides. You can use the same oil for this, because the money oil, and how it has to be anointed, that I will be explaining to you all. When you pick up this thing, you will anoint this and you will keep it for all that 7 days, and after 7 days you can put this in your cash box, or you can even cut it exact, this size. You can cut it like notes. You can keep it in your purse also. You can keep it wherever you want. These work beautifully as a money bringing energy to all of us. And this will not, as I said, this will not be a part of this, because people who don't want to pick the whole set can, just pick the expired dollar bills and along with the oil. Now these are already kept in my scent expired altar and energized, so that when you all use it, all you have to do is just follow the method of anointing the bill and start working with it. So any doubts, you all can let me know. Do share and subscribe to your friends so that they can also benefit from this amazing scent expired kit. And thank you all, and I shall be launching one more product also, an amazing one for name, fame and success. Thank you.